Well, none of them is saying it officially, but the way the BJP and the Congress are reacting to Narendra Modi's rise in the BJP's hierarchy, the plot seems to be building for a Modi versus Rahul Gandhi contest in 2014. The BJP has gone to the extent of saying there's nervousness in the Congress about Modi, but the Congress too is questioning the BJP's excitement over Narendra Modi.
With the BJP drawing in Narendra Modi into its highest decision-making body, the Parliamentary Board, Congress leaders have begun targeting the Gujarat Chief Minister.
We go to the people based upon our policies, programs and our track record, and ultimately we leave it to the people to judge. So therefore it is not about individuals, it is not about personalities.
But the BJP has hit back, alleging the Congress has been rattled by the prospect of Modi stepping on the national stage.
The example of good governance that has been set under his leadership in Gujarat is something which grudgingly even the Congress-led UPA has had to accept on many platforms.
The Congress, which has been focusing its attack on Modi's elevation, is yet to draw its strategy despite indications from the party that Rahul Gandhi could be pitched against Modi.
That there are certain people who believe that their actions speak louder than words, and in the case of Mr. Rahul Gandhi, after having successfully delivered on the restructuring of the mass organizations, he is now focused on the Congress party, and you would see the result of that. It would become evident in the months and days ahead.
But some in the BJP believe that in Modi they have a mascot they can rely on.
Is the Congress nervous about Narendra Modi? It is absolutely clear. Narendra Modi gives the Congress sleepless nights.
It may be too early to talk of the 2014 campaign, but the two national parties are already positioning themselves for the battle.
Ever since BJP National President Rajnath Singh has announced his 2014 team, Congress senior ministers like Kapil Sibal and Manish Tiwari have hit out at the team members and specifically selections of leaders like Amit Shah and Varun Gandhi. It's clear that political temperature for 2014 is heating up because the BJP feels that Congress is now fearing the strength of the new team that has been just announced. With Karan Mohan, this is Tavleen Singh in New Delhi for Times Now.